Hi there, I'm Mark Wagner, Certified Public Accountant, and as promised, I'm back with 3 new key pieces of information that have become available to me in the last 24 hours. The first is we now have a path forward for individuals or couples that have not filed 2018 or 2019 taxes, or maybe you're like me, you filed the return but you don't get a refund, you've had to pay in. The IRS does not have your direct deposit information. What do you do? Well, I have an answer. I also have new information on how employers can defer a portion of the payroll taxes that you pay to the IRS. And I also have new information regarding the EIDL loan program. This is very important and you certainly want to get updated on that. So here we go. Okay, if you're like me and you filed 2018 or 2019 and you did not get a refund, so the IRS does not have your direct deposit information, or maybe you have not yet filed for 2018 or 2019, there is now a place where you can go provide your financial information so that the IRS can direct deposit your stimulus checks. You go to irs.gov and you look for this button here that says non-filers. Enter your payment info here. How handy. Takes you to another page. You want to click one more time. This tells you that it's taking you out to an external site. This is actually Intuit that is created in managing this program. To get started, you're going to have to go create an account. Nothing strange here. It's all pretty straightforward. Email address, user ID, password. You don't have to give them your phone to create this account. They are going to send you an email and you do need to go verify your account. If you don't, you'll get hung up on the next step. When you continue after you have your account, you come to a page here and looks a lot like the top of a tax return. Single, married and joint, name, social security number, street address, city, state, zip. Enter your dependents, their information, give them your bank information here. You'll continue on to the next step. At the next step, you'll have to provide your 2018 adjusted gross income. So again, if you have not filed 2018, you're probably going to need to go do that. I don't know if it'll work if you just put in zeros. At that point, if you have gone to your email and you have verified the account that you just created, you'll be able to just click the button and it files your information with the Internal Revenue Service, and now they have your direct deposit information. So that's pretty straightforward and easy. Now, moving on to the next topic, there is now a program. It was actually part of the CARES Act, but we didn't really know how it was going to work. There's a part of the CARES Act that allows employers to defer making payroll tax deposits through December 31st. Now, there is one catch here. It only allows you to defer the employer's portion of the Social Security and Medicare. The employee portion that you deduct from their paychecks, that still has to be paid to the IRS. That's not your money, and they're not going to let you keep it. You're going to have to send the employee portion, but you do get to defer the employer's portion of those taxes through the end of the year. You have 2 years to repay that. They're saying that they're going to modify the Form 941 to account for the deferral. You should be able to prepay at any time if business gets better and you want to go ahead and get that caught up. One other important thing to note here, they are linking this to the Paycheck Protection Program. If you get a PPP loan, you can defer the taxes, but you have to stop deferring once you get forgiveness on that paycheck protection loan. So again, you can defer taxes in the short term, but once you get forgiveness, if that comes before the end of 2020, you will have to stop deferring at that time. Otherwise, you can continue to defer those taxes through the end of 2020, and then you're going to have to repay those over what looks like the next couple of years. And finally, one quick update on the EIDL program. We have here a note from the Small Business Administration. The main thing I want to cover here is that the EIDL advances are going to be calculated at $1,000 per employee up to a maximum of $10,000. Previously, it was kind of everybody's assumption that this was going to be a flat $10,000 grant. Now it turns out it's going to be $1,000 per employee up to $10,000. If you get a Paycheck Protection loan, the amount that you get for the EIDL advance applies to that loan. It will actually reduce your loan proceeds by that same amount. If you do not get a subsequent EIDL or Paycheck Protection loan, then the amount will simply be forgiven. But it is limited to $1,000 per employee. So if you are a self-employed individual and you applied for the EIDL, I'm assuming you're only going to get $1,000 instead of $10,000. So this is very important information that we did not have earlier. Okay, well, those are the 3 things that I had for today. I just wanted to get out a quick video. I know I've kind of gone through it fast, but it's a video. You can always rewind. Once again, if anything new develops, I will make another video and try to keep you guys updated as I learn new information. But until then, I am Mark Wagner, Certified Public Accountant. You have a great day.